Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to change the table name in case of QlikView. So basically, I have loaded a data which is nothing but an order sheet. I will go to this particular edit script from the file menu. Click on this particular edit script, or you can also type as, or you can also click on Control plus. So this is basically the sheet which I have loaded. I have actually loaded a Excel sheet which will be consisting of this particular table. This is the basically orders and sales data. You can see over here. This is actually loaded. Basically, your sample sales data is there. So when I'll click on OK, and whenever I'll click on reload, so now you can see over here. This is basically an order sheet. When I will type it as, or when I'll click on Control plus T, so it is going to show me orders. The name of the table or that particular table you can see is nothing but orders. It's basically order sheet, and it is going to represent the orders table, which is having this fields row ID, order ID, likewise. Now I am going to change this particular name orders to orders table from the script. So I will type it as Control plus E. So it will redirect us to this particular script, or you can directly go to the file menu and click on edit script. Now you have to edit this particular code. You have to write a line over here. Over here you can, in square bracket, now it is showing that this script is being what you can say, it is wrong. So underline is nothing but having a meaning that it is being wrong. So you have to type over here orders, whichever name you want to give. You can write over here as orders table. Make sure that you have to write over here as. Now it is showing that the script is correct. The code is being correct. Now the line has been gone. So orders table, and I'll click on OK. Now whenever I want to see that particular table, so there is one shortcut. So you can press this particular shortcut key, Control plus T. Make sure that you have to reload the data. I have not clicked on reload. Whenever I click on reload, so it is being showing me that orders table. You can see over here orders table. Yes. Now it will be showing me orders table when I press Control plus T. Yeah. So you can see that the name is being changed from orders to orders table. So I hope you have understood how to change the table name in QlikView. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.